What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV, market with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. I must confess, I am so in love with the new flavor high life style of music, because it's a combination of local music, like local Igbo music, with international standard music. We all know that it's not easy playing violin and other beautiful instrument, but transforming them into high life is something that is so amazing. And this one is a rehearsal from Flavour Is ahead of the Turu Lota concert happening tomorrow at Enugu Shoprite, and is hosted by Life Lager Beer. Flavour will be performing live at the event, and this video is entirely about the rehearsal and all the behind the scene concerning the concert ahead of tomorrow. Total preparation for the concert. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome.
Now 16 to you guys. Bring it down. That's the outro.
Going down live tomorrow, and it's going to be beautiful. I urge you guys, if you're in Enugu, go out there, get your tickets and go get the Flavor of Africa, giving you the flavor vibes back to back. It's going to be a very beautiful one. Anyway, if you can't meet it up, I promise I'll bring the highlight of the entire concert here to you on the channel, so keep your eye crossed. If you're new here, that's the more reason why you have to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to the channel, turn on post notification. Always drop a comment. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome. I don't know what you think. Do you think this flavor new style of music is actually nice, as in is actually perfect for the culture, or he's just trying to blend his local sound with international sound, which is also nice as well? Anyway, let's hear that your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.